out of the seat. Watch your head, though. Do you want me to hold the chair? I'll just...
You don't have to do that.
That way you don't have to...
Thank you.
Oh, you're right. You're right here. I can hold that one too.
That would be great. Thank you so much. We appreciate
it.
it.
The pictures.
Oh my goodness.
This is the tiniest plane I've ever seen.
It's 1, 2, 3.
It's 3 seats.
1, 3 people.
3, 4.
Making room? Thank you. Did you have fun?
What's back there?
This is the
Well,
smallest plane I've ever seen in my life.
So this is a Navigator
I think
Jet
she's
aircraft
trying
for
to
the
get
Air Force. We teach bombing, we teach electronic warfare, we teach low-level navigation. They can fly up to 500 miles an hour.
You take that seat.
Electronic warfare is radar system, missile system.
It's so tiny.
I know. It's like 2 windows, 3 windows on each side.
Electronic warfare is
We're gonna sit here.
what the environment is throwing at you and then what you have to do. Oh, okay.